Hey guys, and welcome. Today I'm introducing Mr. Rustacean, a Rust knowledge brain. So for anyone that is into Rust, it's coding with Rust, it's developing applications or transitioning, or maybe even has Rust components. Guys, this is a brain for your AI agent, that being Claude, Codex, or Hermes, or whatever there is. So it's based on official documentation from Rust. So once again, what is it exactly? So a cross-linked Obsidian knowledge brain for writing correct idiomatic current Rust plus a Rust agent. Guys, we're gonna have an agent, that being Claude Code, for example, that you can hook or whatever agent you have, even Gemini, and that's gonna help you for anything Rust related. Yeah. So maybe if you're building some projects with Rust or applications, or even have some small parts, or you want to integrate maybe some other features, then this one is for you. So once again, what is Mr. Rustacean? It's a cross-linked Obsidian knowledge brain for writing correct idiomatic current Rust. So it is 584 atomic interlinked nodes. Guys, that's a lot. By the way, that's a lot of information, especially for the Claude. Because imagine, let's say you can tell your Claude, hey, tell me about Rust and how to fix this. And if he doesn't know the specific steps and code for that, it's quite hard. And to get always all the docs, yes, you can achieve it, but it will take some time and prompts. But here it has all the best practices in regards to how to edit, how to code, how to verify, and of course following best practices and proper orchestration layer. This is not, by the way, a tutorial, guys, or a doc mirror, as I mentioned before. It is just an opinionated layer on top of the docs. For every topic, you get the magic way to do it. Yeah, the best practices to be exact, the mistake to avoid, and compilable example and links to everything related. Just for information, I have put the exact same brain, guys, so you don't need to download it all the time, because maybe if you're, let's say, traveling or whatever, or on your phone, I made it on a site, you can check it out. It's agussidaniel.github.io. It's from GitHub, guys, /Rustacean, yeah? So I put the whole brain here, by the way, the same exact brain, as you see here on the right, or in Obsidian, I have put it also on this site. So you can just hook this site to your agent, you can share it, so like that. I mean, you don't need to always download, put, etc. and so on. But of course, make sure to put a star, because I will really appreciate. So once again, our GitHub is github.com /Rustacean, right? I'm gonna put it also in the description, guys. But this is a brain, this is a vault, best practices, quality verification. I mean, there's so much things I would love to tell you more about, but I will love you to try it. So all of these are interlinked with relevant factors. So depending on your exact use case specifically. And guys, this is Mr. Rustacean. We're gonna find the links down. It's what it is. It's a vault. So how you can run it? I mean, there are a few ways. Let me even show you just a small demo. I think that will be the easiest way, even as we move. So imagine I'm gonna open a new Claude session. So let's say I'm gonna use VS Code. I'll put VS Code here, right? And the way also how we can set it up, you can just download from GitHub or just share the link, or you don't even need to do that. By the way, you don't even need to have a folder, guys. I will just open Claude, and I was just gonna put it here on the right. And here we have this station link, right? I'm gonna just copy it here and say, hey there, can you check this brain and vault? Because we're gonna work on fixing a component. I'm using Rust for that. For example, this is a prompt for that. I'm gonna send it right now, and because it has access to the current library, which is the exact same vault, because I wanted to go to the old practices, but guys, you can just feed it straight away live to the site, or if you want, you can just go to GitHub and you can just, download this as a zip, or you can just copy and just install it on your computer. Just GitHub repo, clone, and here it is, guys. You can just copy it in your terminal, for example. You can paste it in a folder, and then we can just install it in that folder, the exact same brain, if you want to have it locally also, and maybe if you want to build on top of it, because I think it will be nice for you to have also memory in regards to each and every specific changes maybe that you're doing. And just for information, while Mr. Claude is cooking right now for this demo, this was whole build following Karpati's, I think everyone already knows Karpati's hot index wiki approach for knowledge. So I definitely recommend, if you're building with Rust, just connect it to your agent and then build on top of this brain, make some notes based on your project, just apply best practices, or just take whatever you need, and just put it straight away on your specific project as it is. Because once again, guys, This is Rust brain. You can hook it to your Claude, you can hook it to your Codex. Anything you can want to do with Rust, you can find it here. If I missed something, maybe perhaps, or if you have some good ideas, just make sure to put a PR on GitHub. I will really appreciate it. And guys, once again, this is Mr. Rustacean, and this is your Rust brain. Straight away, out of the box, there for you guys, and it will always be your ultimate assistant in regards to that. We're gonna find the links, by the way, down in the description. Have a good one, everyone. Ciao, ciao.